Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink with a quick improvement. So in large format, we go through OLFA blades quite quickly, especially when we're working with materials like magnetic material. So what we have right now is we have this little salt container that we put the blades in. That way they're not ending up in the bottom of the trash cans, so that people don't accidentally cut themselves on them when they're taking out the trash in large format, since a lot of times it's material scraps that you kind of have to pull out from the bottom of the trash can. But this has been on the end of the table here, so every time I go to break off a blade, I have to walk down the table over here to put it in here, because this kind of takes up space on the table. You don't really want it with you. So what I've done is I took a little container. Extra gum comes in these little containers. So I put some magnet on the back of it so that I can just stick it to the table right in front of me when I'm working. Pop it off, and then you can just pop it open, put the blade in there, stick it back to the table when you're done.